Need to replace a wheel on your Traeger Pro Series 34? Today we're swapping it for a brand new one. It's a locking caster on a threaded stem, and it screws straight into the leg. We'll walk it in clean technical diagrams to see the repair from angles that are hard to catch on camera. It's an easy job, about 15 minutes with an adjustable wrench and a helper. Let's get into it. Step 1. Lock the grill. But first, pull the plug and make sure the grill is cold and the hopper isn't brim full. Then, we can work. With a second person steadying the far side, tip the grill just enough to lift the bad wheel. Now set solid blocks under the frame and ease the weight down onto them. The grill rests on the blocks, never on your helper's arms. Step 2. Unthread the old caster. If it's stubborn, put the wrench flat on the stem's hex, not on the fork. Then spin it counterclockwise until the stem clears the leg. Steady turns beat force. Step 3. Thread the new one in. Start it by hand so the threads seat true and spin it home. Then snug it with the wrench, lift the blocks away, and set the grill down easy. Now let's make sure it's working. Roll the grill a foot or two. The new wheel turns free and tracks straight. Press the brake lever. It locks, and the grill stays put when you push. And with all 4 feet on the ground, no rocking. Pass all 3, and this repair is finished. That's it. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.